The president's son, Eric Trump, is in Raleigh this afternoon for an event. The president going to be holding a rally in Lumberton tomorrow. That visit follows his final debate, which, of course, took place last night with Joe Biden. Reporter Greg Hurst joining us live right now from Nashville, where there were some very big moments, Greg, fortunately a whole lot more calm than the first go-around.
Yes, without question. Now, there was a lot on the line last night. The polls give the impression that Joe Biden has the national lead. He certainly didn't want to do anything to jeopardize that. And the president came into this debate with many telling him he needs to make up some ground and convince Americans he's still the best commander-in-chief. While it's clear the stakes were high, both men stepped into this ring like prize fighters, throwing haymakers and hoping for a knockout punch. But after last night's debate, it appears both men are still standing.
You have not released a single solitary year of your tax return. What are you hiding? Why are you unwilling? The foreign countries are paying you a lot. Russia's paying you a lot. China's paying you a lot.
I don't make money from China. You do. I don't make money from Ukraine. You do. I don't make money from Russia. You made $3.5 million, Joe, and your son gave you. They even have a statement that we have to give 10% to the big man. You're the big man, I think.
They accused each other of corruption and influence peddling, taking money from foreign governments and cheating American taxpayers. And they then finally got down to talking about issues like coronavirus.
It will go away, and as I say, we're rounding the turn. We have a problem that's a worldwide problem. This is a worldwide problem. But I've been congratulated by the heads of many countries on what we've been able to do.
220,000 Americans dead. Anyone who's responsible for that many deaths should not remain as President of the United States of America.
The debate shifting to social unrest across the country.
We have to provide for economic opportunity, better education, better health care, better access to schooling, better access to opportunity to borrow money to start businesses.
Trump firing back, touting his efforts to reform the criminal justice system.
Nobody has done more for the black community than Donald Trump. And if you look, with the exception of Abraham Lincoln, possible exception, but the exception of Abraham Lincoln, nobody has done what I've done.
Another key topic on the night, health care. The president criticizing Biden's plan because it includes a government option for health insurance.
He wants socialized medicine, and it's not that he wants it. His vice president, I mean, she is more liberal than Bernie Sanders.
But Biden is standing by his plan, emphasizing health care reform.
The difference between the president, I think health care is not a privilege, it's a right. Everyone should have the right to have affordable health care. This is something that's going to save people's lives.
All in all, a much better debate than the first, as Bill mentioned, but there was more policy discussion. There were fewer interruptions, and both men got in their jabs. A strong push from both candidates with Election Day so close, but anyone hoping for that knockout punch will apparently have to wait at least 11 more days. Live from the presidential debate in Nashville, I'm Greg Hurst.